Looking to do some cool outdoor lighting? In this very nondescript box, I have a cool set of new lights from DAYBETTER. Let me show you these. The most important thing is they are shatterproof. How cool is that? Like we could just go like that and it's just fine, which is a really nice way to be living your life with lights. Check these out. These are the Edison style light bulbs. As we said, shatterproof. They're gonna have a nice warm white light. Comes with a spare light bulb in addition, in case somehow you figured out a way to break the shatterproof light bulbs. Look how nice and heavy duty the cord is. It's rubberized, nice and soft, flexible, easy. Let's go install it in my gazebo and see what it looks like tonight. Okay, it's not that often that I say something is freaking awesome. Look at this. I love the way my awning looks. My cooking area is all lit up. Let me show you up close. How phenomenal is this light kit? And they're indestructible again, look. Indestructible plastic, super easy to install. The light is warm and great and inviting. And I'm gonna have to do this. This awning here behind me is gonna need a light kit because this looks amazing here. In any case, I hope this has been helpful. If you want to get this, there's going to be a link in the description. Hey, while you're down there, put a comment. What are you thinking about lighting up with this light kit that you're watching the video? Like, subscribe, follow, all those important things. I hope this has been helpful. We will see you next time.